How to create Trust Wallet account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up the official website of Trust Wallet, and after that you can download the mobile application from here, or you can also download the extension. So just download it accordingly. You can also get it from your Play Store or App Store, and in case if you are looking to download the extension, you get 4 different options, whether to download it for Brave, Edge, Opera or Chrome. But in this video we will take the example of Chrome, how you can add it on your Chrome. So let's select the option of Chrome and wait for it to load. And after that, just simply click on this option of add to Chrome. Wait for it to do its work, and here it will give you this prompt. Now just click on this option of add extension. Hold on and let it get into your extensions. You will be able to see it on the top over on your extensions. And after the download is complete, this is how it will appear. Now you can just simply click on this option of create a new wallet and just simply select it. Now it will ask you to set a new password. Then you also have to confirm this particular password. Just look at these details while setting up this particular password and click on this option of next. Let me type the password over here so we can see how it all works. After that, just check this particular box and click on this option of next. Now wait for it to load, and here it will ask you to improve the Trust Wallet. So in case if you want to share your data, just simply click on this option of share data. Otherwise, just simply click on this option of no thanks. Now if you want to set Trust Wallet as your default wallet for the D app connections, just simply enable this particular option. Otherwise, just disable it, and you can just simply click on this option of open wallet in order to open it up. Now it will also ask you to pin it up in case if you want to see it over here. So you can just simply pin it. You can just simply pin any particular extension if you want to. Let's open it up, and you would be able to see that this is how it is. And this is how you create your Trust Wallet. And on the top you will be able to see your backup secret phrase. Just simply click on it, and after that you will be shown a secret phrase. Just simply write it down on a piece of paper. It is a 12-word safety backup for you, and they won't be giving you again this backup. So this particular backup will be used whenever you want to access your account on some other device. So it is important that you just write it down on a piece of paper. And this is how you can create your Trust Wallet account. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.